side we have a reception area, and we have a inbuilt pure veg restaurant, and this is the lobby. There we have it. This is a pure veg restaurant, Padma AC Deluxe restaurant in Mangalore. Sir, your good name?
Satish Rao.
Okay, you are the manager.
Yeah, I'm a front office manager.
Okay, from how many years you are there?
I'm doing the work here 5 years.
From 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay, when this hotel Srinivasa has started?
More than 35 years.
More than 35 years.
Yeah.
It is in the same premises?
Yes, same premises.
They have any branches?
We have hospital industries, means we have colleges.
Okay.
And dental college and medical college. Lot of colleges is there.
Okay, all the colleges located in Mangalore itself? Or
Yeah, Mangalore only.
Okay.
And opposite our one more branch is there, hotel.
Which one?
Vardha Saffron. Vardha Saffron Srinivas.
Opposite to this?
Yeah, opposite.
Oh, that's yours only?
Yeah.
Because I stayed in the Srinivasa and Saffron. Both I have stayed.
When
I think some 2 years back.
we are recently purchased, means before one month back.
Oh, 1 month back? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Because I stayed some 1.5 years back before COVID.
Oh.
Yeah, at that time I have stayed there. And what is the tariff?
Here tariff going on, sir, deluxe non-AC 1500 plus tax.
Okay.
And deluxe AC is 2000 plus tax. Tax it will come 12%. And one more room is there, that is family suite room. That is 3000 plus tax. Including breakfast is there complimentary. And period of check-in, check-out time 24 hours. So all facility will be there in the 24 hours, hot water and Wi-Fi facility is there.
Room number 101. It's completely a suite room. Here you have a big curtain with AC. Here you have small dining area, 2 glasses along with the 2 cups, and this is electric kettle, and you have a separate dressing area. Here you have a big mirror. Next to that mirror you have 2 wardrobes. Here also you can keep all your luggages. And next we are heading to washroom. This is the washroom. Here also you have a big mirror. This is the western commode. Here you have shower. Guys, ಇವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಬಂದು ದಿಸ್ ಅ ಸೂಟ್ ರೂಮ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹಂಪನಕಟ್ಟ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಸಿಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಹೋಟೆಲ್. ರೂಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 108. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಸೂಟ್ ರೂಮ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಮಿನಿ ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. Next to that you have a LED TV. Below that you have some rack. Next to that rack you have a big curtain. In front of that curtain you have 2 single-seater chair, along with that 1 coffee table. Again you have another big curtain. Above that you have an AC. Look at this, which gives you a real rich feel. This is completely a suite room. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ದು 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಪಿಲ್ಲೋ, 2 pillows they have provided, and next to that you have some pictures which is more attractive. Next to that you have a curtain. If you pull the curtain you have a dressing area. Here also you have a big mirror. Next to that mirror, you have a wardrobe where you can keep all your belongings. Next to this mirror, you have a washroom. Wow, this washroom is really good. Here you have a wash basin. Next to that, you have a big mirror, and this is the western commode. Here you can see this completely different. ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದು. ಬಾತ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬಂದು ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶೋನ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಬಾತ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಲೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಡೋರ್. ನೀವು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಬಾತ್ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಶವರ್.